We've looked at some very general and generalisable concepts of risk analysis. Those concepts are applied in many areas of research and practice, including the analysis of financial risks, construction risks, water quality risks, and business venture risks. In addition to those fundamental concepts, and sometimes building upon them, some fields have found the need to develop more specific applications of risk assessment and risk management. One such field is environmental risk assessment associated with hazardous chemical contaminants. For environmental risk assessment for chemical contaminants, we need to consider what levels of exposure to chemical contaminants may be associated with particular health consequences and with what likelihood. A common objective is to determine safe or unsafe levels of contamination in substances that people might come into contact with, such as air, soil, or water. In this class, I'll explain the approaches that have been adopted and some of the reasons why. You'll learn the basic concepts and skills that underpin how many guideline documents, such as air quality guidelines and water quality guidelines, are derived. Before this class, I'd like you to look up the World Health Organization Guidelines for Drinking Water Quality. You can find them via Google search, and I'll also provide a link in the class online module. Take a look at Chapter 12, Chemical Fact Sheets. Scroll through the chapter and select one chemical contaminant, and then jot down a few notes to record some of the key points. These should include: what is the guideline value for that chemical? What considerations was this guideline based on? Can you tell how it was calculated? Don't worry if you can't work out the calculation. We'll cover it in the class. But be prepared to share the name of your chemical and a few basic facts about the guideline with the class.